So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, and I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. So we are here at the Versatile Manufacturing Unit, which is situated at the Telangana state. So we are having the most affordable electric scooter which is available in India, and the one more factor, it is made in India with a price of 25,000 rupees, and that too with a lithium ion battery pack. That is something exceptional we can get with this versatile electric scooter. So this electric scooter is available in three variants, which is the VE45Li, and it gives a range of 45 kilometers, and the 55Li gives a range of 55 kilometers, and the VE90Li, it gives a range of 90 kilometers. So talking about the specifications of this electric scooter, it works with a 250 watt BLDC hub motor which is mounted at the back side, and it having dual disc brakes, which is at the front and rear we are getting disc brakes. And most importantly, this electric scooter is ICAT certified. So this is ICAT certified, so basically it's gone under all testings from whatever the crash tests, everything has gone under. So this is ICAT verified, so it's a trustworthy company. So and this electric scooter works with purely on lithium ion batteries, and these lithium ion batteries are mounted here, and this scooter having a battery indicator, you can get this here. So the notification really helps for this when you are running out of battery on something like that. So and you can get a basket here as well for placing any kind of utilities. You are getting one LED headlamp here, so that's the only light you are getting for this electric scooter. So while going through night time, so it will be useful for you. So now talking about the tires here, so they are very short tires. These are actually tube tires, and it comes with tube, and these are not tubeless. The first factor any user usually looks for buying an electric scooter is the footing space. So this is more comfortable. You can see here I am actually a 6 feet person, and I'm usually sitting much comfortable. So that's a good factor now. Any kind of short height or medium height, they can easily suitable for this electric scooter. And overall it's a lightweight electric scooter. Even I try to lift that, so it's something you can actually lift that. I'm not sure you can carry it for more time, but it's fine, you can lift that electric scooter even though with the lithium ion battery pack inside. When talking about the riding, all you need to do is just on this with the key and you simply ride. So no need of any gears and no need of buttons, nothing, anything is hidden there. All you need to do is just on this key and you can ride this electric scooter. That I will show how this electric scooter actually going on. And you can have a horn here, and that too much fine. The sound is fine, and it is audible even though there are some noise around here, but still you are able to listen fine. And this is light for headlamp. So there is not much accessories involved, and it's very simple and decent in terms of looks. Now coming to the load capacity of this electric scooter, so it can easily carry 2 persons, and you can usually go with one pylon, or else you can use some luggage as well. So if you have any kind of luggage, take for an example, your weight is around 70 kgs or up to 60 to 70 kgs, you can carry up to 80 kgs of load. So that's the overall load capacity is 150 kgs of this electric scooter. So at the back side of this electric scooter, you can see the mudguard here, and as well as a solar light indicator. So usually this light works only during night time, and that too it utilizes the solar power, and this light usually works during riding at the night time. Side stand, it is here, it is mounted here. So it is the only support for this electric scooter, and so that's it. And if you talk about the ground clearance, they are claiming that it is 115 millimeter. So 115 millimeters of ground clearance given here. So while you're riding on this, kind of speed breakers and all, you don't find much, bumping kind of things. So we'll go on through the ride review, and we'll show you how it actually going on these ups and downs of road conditions. Now talking about the seat here, it is actually fitted on this, back. So for the pylon, before the pylon, there is a seat mounted here, and fine. The comfortability is fine, and you can feel a little soft. So it's not hard anymore, it's soft, and while riding also you'll feel good. And now talking about the back, whatever the pylon here, so even though for the pylon as well they have given enough space. So this footer space is actually for both the rider as well as the pylon, also they can utilize this footer space. So that's all about this complete structure and what are the basic features involved in this electric scooter of Versatile electric scooter. So let's ride Versatile VE90Li. So that's fine. So far I just started the initial impressions of this electric scooter review here, and the pickup is fine. So the good part about this electric scooter is you have wide boot space so that you can comfortably sit here. So it might be a tall rider, or it might be even if you are medium height also, that's fine, you can handle this. So any kind of height people, you can ride this electric scooter much comfortable, and all because of this wide photo space here. And I also observe that don't try to ride this with one hand, you may lose the control on the electric scooter, but always try to place with two hands and ride with two hands. So the scooter, just like they mentioned that it's 25 kph, you can't get much speed on this electric scooter. And as you know, there's a budget friendly electric scooter, so even that we can't expect more from this. And you can have a horn here, and fine, it's audible, and it's not that much, it's not making that much big noise here. So the sound quality is fine, and it's audible up to a particular limit. So far so good, it's convenient for me. So now I'm going to test this electric scooter with two persons, and I will check how this electric scooter will perform. So what I observed here is with two persons, the battery takes some time for pickup here. So that's what I observed here. Apart from this, everything is fine. So the stability is fine here. So I'm going to test the disc brakes of this electric scooter, so how it is going to perform. I will try the rear brake now. So finally, after a complete review on the versatile electric scooter, I would say that no electric scooter in India is offering a lithium-ion battery pack with 25,000 rupees. So that's a basic version of versatile VE45Li, so which gives a range of 45 kilometers on a single charge, and the 55 kilometers of range for the 55Li range, and the 90 kilometers range for the 90Li range. So based on these factors, I would say whoever going for college or school and for jobs, so I would suggest this lithium Li45, because for short distance commuting, say for example they are daily commuting, or they're going for office in the limit of 10 to 20 kilometers of radius, obviously this Li45 is going definitely suited for them, and they don't need to charge for 1 to 2 days. For example, if they need more charging, take for example they need up to 80 kilometers of range or something like that, so they can go for Li90. So which the Li90 is costing around 35,000 rupees, and the versatile 55Li is offering 55 kilometers of range. So based on the user commuting and how much distance they are using, so they can go for either the 45 kilometer range variant or the 55 kilometer range variant. So there is only difference is the 10 kilometers. So they need to pay another 3,000 for the another 10 kilometer range, which is the 55Li range. Most probably I will suggest that farmers can use this. If you take the agriculture land, so the land surface is very narrow there. So for that kind of surfaces, this electric scooter very suited for that, because the tires are, you can see, so there's a very narrow tires and very small tires as well. So for that kind of land areas, the farmers and any kind of people who are going to for like deliveries as well, people who are going for deliveries as well, they can use these kind of bikes. So I would say this is a kind of all-in-one electric scooter for all age groups, because it is easy to ride, and no need to be an expert in riding for riding this small electric scooter. And the controls are very simple, it's not any complex. It is all you have is an accelerator for this, and you have a charging indicator. It's a good purchase. For 25,000 you are getting a lithium-ion electric scooter. So that's all about the complete review about versatile electric scooters, the three variants, 45, 55 and 90. So based on the customer and their ride commuting, they have to choose one electric scooter. Go green, go electric.
Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.